In this instructional video, we will show you how to use the Chain of Beads tool in your Presenter file. You can use the tool as soon as the cursor is active. All beads can be grouped one for one and moved from left to right or vice versa. As soon as you click on a bead, a number card appears above it. Click on the bead again to hide the number card. Open the Settings menu to adjust the number of beads or change the 10 structure into a 5 structure, or potentially to visualize each of the number cards. Close the menu by clicking on the Settings button again or next to the menu. Would you like more information about this tool? Click on the Information button. You are now set to use the tool Chain of Beads. Open Presenter and get going.